So welcome back to a very snowy old man of Storr. Bit crazy really. Me and Paul separated, but we shouldn't have. We kind of should have stayed together, but I wanted to get up to that main viewpoint and
I was too lazy.
Paul was too lazy. And as soon as I got up to the viewpoint, I could just see the old man of Storr like through the clouds. It was just starting to come down, and then all of a sudden just got hit by a blizzard. So I had to kind of take shelter behind some rocks and just wait it out for a little bit. Stayed there for about 15 minutes or so. I couldn't see anything for a good 10 or 15 minutes until I called it and was like, nah, this is ridiculous now, it's just getting unsafe, and this happens sometimes. And so this is going to be a bit all over the place, I think, with this episode, this vlog, because I'm a bit stumped about what to do. So we've just come down behind the old man of Storr, so I'm going to be looking for compositions that are not necessarily seen too much, but it's good to try and find something a bit more original, I guess. 16 to 35 on, maybe f4, focusing on the Storr, maybe some blurred out foreground interest, that sort of thing, and just try and maybe try and capture some of this snow. There you go, you can't see me. Maybe try and capture some of the snow, sideways snow across the scene. But it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You can see the snow falling around me. It's absolutely gorgeous. Paul's chilling just here. The old man of Storr is just up there, and it's gorgeous. We're the only two up here, there's no one else here, so I'm going to try and get some images while we're here. We may as well make the most of it. So the snow is super deep, and as you can see, this is just breathtaking, absolutely breathtaking. Scotland has literally just taken me and chewed me up, and seen how I can take it really, but this is just awesome. So no tripod, no filters, going to be absolutely useless. The snow is amazing. I can get handheld shots. It's still quite bright, shooting around about f4, f5.6. ISO is going to be about 200, maybe 400. Shutter speeds are going to be quite fast, maybe 150th of a second or so, to try and capture some of this snow falling down. As you can see, I'm getting covered in snow. So that's the old man of Storr behind me. I'm going to be trying to use bits of rock, snow drift if I can find any, try and find some sort of foreground interest. Portrait orientation, probably, that's what I kind of have in mind. Focusing on the Storr itself, and then just rattling them off and seeing if I got a frame. I'm getting battered here, and seeing if I've got a frame or two there that I can show you guys. But setting the camera up, make sure you've got a cloth in your pocket, wipe, set the frame up, wipe again, and then just shoot and shoot and shoot, and fingers crossed I can show you an image or two in a moment. But it's awesome, absolutely awesome. It's like Christmas. So we've been up here for maybe an hour and a half. I do apologise for the lack of vlog content, but as you can see, the conditions are very, very demanding. They're demanding on myself, and demanding on trying to get images, and then I got to try and think about filming for the vlog. And but you can see it's just breathtakingly beautiful. I'm absolutely gutted that I couldn't get that nice wide angle shot from the top. I can't even see the top now, it's just come down so heavy. But I will be back and I will get it another time. But this is something that doesn't happen every day. There it is right there behind me. Just stunning, stunning conditions. Paul's fallen over in the snow and is in some places up to our waist deep. So deep. So those shots there, very shallow depth of field. I like that, thrown out the foreground, focusing on the Storr itself, capturing some of the snow there in some of the images. And it's quite effective, and I think it's probably about the best I can get from this demanding location, demanding weather. So it's short and sweet, I do know, but I'm gonna have to wrap this one up and get down and get warm. I'm very cold and I'm very wet. So thanks for sticking around. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and I hope you've managed to learn something, and I hope you've enjoyed looking at that amazing part of the Isle of Skye. But I'm definitely coming back for another shot. So if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would click subscribe below. Give us a like, please write us a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one.